This is a quick update of my CT90 Franken-Trail bike. As in Frankenstein. It's got the XR100 front end on it, complete with worn out Pirelli front tire. That's an 18-inch tire and wheel, so it's a little bit more expensive. No, it's not, it's a 19-inch. So it's a little more expensive than the 17-inch standard CT90 setup, which I've got the standard 17-inch on the back, and I bought that wheel with a good tire on it. I've got one shock on it right now from the XR100 that I scavenged several parts from, and I can actually sit on it, but I need to put the other one on it. Actually, I need to get some longer springs. I want to get some from I don't know, XL350 or something like that, XL250, something taller anyway. I took the foot peg assembly from the XR100 and cut it and welded it back together at a width that works for this engine, which, if you've seen the other videos, I bought this engine and did a top end rebuild on it, and it had no compression because it had a broken piston ring. But anyway, you can look back through those videos and see what I did there. This foot peg assembly has a kickstand attached, also from the XR100, and it hangs down too low when it's up, so I'm going to have to work on that a little bit. The carburetor is a cheap $25 eBay special, and it has the petcock for the two outlets of the tank, and has the choke on the correct side and everything. And I have had it running, but the pin in the ignition advancer on the cam came out. I made a new one out of 1/8" drill bit or something like that, and I used some red Loctite, but I think that it's flown out again. I need to pull the cover off and check it, and if it has indeed fallen out, I'm going to have to fix that, because the last time I ran it, it started backfiring pretty badly and running really poorly. But yes, I have had it running, so the top end rebuild worked. Oh, and I've been using a car coil with 12 volts, and I do intend to convert this to 12 volts once I get it running smoothly enough that I can get a good O-scope reading on the outputs. I'm going to try to do it without having to rewind the stator, and I believe I can do that, but if I have to rewind the stator, I will. But I just kind of had the electrical system cobbled up here, and this plug wire that came off, I don't know what, just had it laying around. And running it on 12 volts, I used a couple of these resistors as a ballast, but I've also run it on 6 volts without the ballast. So I need to make this thing actually rideable now that it's gotten to be riding season again. I mean, I've putted around on it a little bit, but I need to make it so I can take some actual trips on it. And part of that is I need to get an actual coil for it that fits it. Maybe, I don't know. That looks pretty rat bikey. But anyway, it's an ongoing project and it's not dead. I'm sure some of you guys have been wondering whatever happened to this project, but it's still here.